Okay, time for the spelling quiz. Number 1. Furniture. Furniture is the stuff that's in your house. Things like tables and chairs. Furniture. Number 2. Circle. A circle is a round shape. Wheels are a circle. Circle. After circle. Control. If you control something, that means that you decide how it is used. Control. Control. After control. Control tower. A control tower is a tower at an airport where people radio to airplanes and tell them how to land and when to land. Control tower. After control tower, crash. A crash is when two things smash into each other. So if one car hits another car, those cars crashed into each other. Crash. After crash, tower. A tower is a tall, thin building. There are many kinds of towers. There are water towers and control towers and watch towers. There are many different kinds of towers. Leader. A leader is a person who tells a group of other people what to do. So, if you see a group of people, but there is one person telling all of those people what to do, that one person is the leader. Leader. After leader is reader. A reader is somebody who is reading. So if somebody likes to read a lot of books, they are a reader. They like to read. Another way to use the word reader is when you have a book of short stories, you call it a reader. When you have a collection of these short stories, that kind of book is called a reader. After reader, spoon. A spoon is the thing that you use to eat soup. Spoon. After spoon, sugar. Sugar is a powder that you can put onto things to make them sweet. Sugar tastes sweet. After sugar, post. A post is something that sticks out of the ground. So, if you build a fence, first you need to put posts into the ground. A post can be made out of metal or wood. Post. After post, prefer. If you prefer something, it means you like that thing instead of other things. So, if you ask me, do you like green tea or black tea? I can tell you, I prefer green tea. I like green tea better than I like black tea. So I prefer the one that I like better. Okay, now it's time for the verbs. Number 1, bite, bit, bit. If you bite something, that means you're using your teeth to clamp down on something. So you bite food. When you eat food, you are biting it. After bite, bit, bit. Fly, flew, flown. To fly is to move through the air under your own power. So a kite does not fly because it needs wind. But a helicopter does fly because it creates its own power and it uses its own energy to move through the air. After fly, flew, flown is draw, drew, drawn. To draw something is to use a pencil or a marker and to make a shape that looks like something else. So if you draw a circle, that means that you have a marker and you are making a circle. Okay, now it's time to go over the answers. Number 1 was furniture. Number 2, circle. Control. Control tower. Crash. Tower. Leader. Reader. Spoon. Sugar. Post. And prefer. Okay, and now time for the verbs. Bite, bit, bit. Fly, flew, flown. And draw, drew, drawn. Okay, review the answers and make sure that you got them all